Long setup Russell.
Orders in there. Don't go up yet. No. Take us with you. Oh well. So I'll leave this. Coming back down. We already hit a 2-to-1. I want to get in the trade. It's my last chance. Okay, we're still in a downtrend. You can see down, 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 possibly what? Down. That's okay. If I get stopped, I get stopped. That's my I have to take this trade, right? It's my last chance. I'm going to remove this one here since it's not doing me much good right now. And I'll draw the next congestion zone once we see it. It took off without us again. A 51.10. Leave the order in there because that's a megaphone entry, which is one of my favorite entries for buy point 2. Then pull back. But look at the reversal we had off of 4. Not, unfortunately, it wasn't the big one we were looking for. And look at the one we're having off of 5, which is potentially a big reversal here. Alright, so we need to go one more, and I'll get price exhaustion again. We're going to go one more tick higher. We're going to go to here. There we go. Oh, there it is. So that's fine. So now hopefully we get the pullback. Like I said, we've had a lot of entries do this recently where we miss our entry by a tick. And again, here's the same exact thing. Alright, so we want to pull back. We want to see the light go red, whatever. But we do have price exhaustion. This is 3 new highs, 4 new highs. So we are due for a pullback. We do not want to hit this yet. If we hit that, that's the target, then I'll cancel the order because it's made the move. That's where I want it to go to, which is potentially about a $500 and some, almost $600 trade for us if we can get this. Okay, so it's about a $600 trade. Alright, so that's 4 new highs. Now hopefully this starts to pull back here for us. So I'm anticipating a pullback to here, not being stopped out, and then a move back up to here. So let me forecast what I'd like to see. Move to here, and then a move from here to here. So this makes sense so far. 4 new highs. Expect a pullback. We have bearish momentum. We just need to come back far enough to get the fill without being stopped, and then have it come up and hit our target. Believe it or not, it's a very good chance this will happen. Okay, 1 tick. There's our entry. We're filled. Now we want the bounce up. Testing the zone. 1 tick from our stop. Now if it stops us out, since we don't have a red dot, we can't trade. So hopefully it bounces here and goes up now. Okay, so far, let's see how this closes. If we close above, that's good, which it looks like we will. We're bouncing. Phase 1, looking good. Pull back, get filled. That was what we wanted without being stopped. Now phase 2, go up and hit our $600 target. Now we have price exhaustion. That's actually good, right? Meaning we should go up. Here we had price exhaustion down, price exhaustion up. Yeah, well this is just a draw tool off of the NinjaTrader, so it's just you can do this yourself. I just wanted to make a point here that if you understand price action, you have a good idea where prices are going to go. You can predict with some accuracy where you think what's going to happen. So that's why I drew this on here, to make the point. I'm not just haphazardly going, I think it's going to pull back to here and I hope it goes up to there. It may just run out of steam right here at the 300 mark, and I don't know. But this pattern, this megaphone pattern, which I call it my favorite one for the entry, often does this. It will come down here, fill, not stop you, and then go up and have a nice little quick move to the upside. We haven't transitioned away from this yet. So far, this is very likely going to happen. We're going to get our target, especially if we make a new high right here. What we just did. Moved quick because my what happened? Did I not move my? Oh, I didn't move my targets, did I? How silly is that? I was sitting there concentrating on, okay, it's going to go here and here, and I forgot to move my targets. I still made money, but not what I was looking for. That is funny. I made 350. Should have made 600. And you guys said if you did it correctly, you'll make 600. That is funny. I've never done that before. Still a good setup. And it was number 14 triangle, so we would think, oh man, we have nothing to do. But it was what? It was our number 5. Yeah, you're probably right, Kay. And if I was trading in reality, you've never seen me do this before. I've never drawn on here like this. But I just wanted to make the point. This is what should happen here. And so normally I do have my targets here and I'm watching them. You're right. Still looking for the Russell to come up here and tag here though. Well, that's really good. We're going to hit it. We just made a new high. We're in a new uptrend now. So it's going to hit it. So there's 600 right there. Okay, so you see we predicted the pattern it was likely to take. And I didn't draw congestion here. That's actually way up there because we have a large megaphone congestion zone, which is up here. This is a reasonable target right here at this horizontal line and right here though. And you see this area here is now our support. This breakout area here, this is support, support, support. And now you got your 600. Okay, so there you go. This price action is the same on any chart. So this could have been the crude, it could have been the S&P, it could have been gold. But that's why I say one of my favorite entries is that megaphone entry right there. Came within a tick of our stop. Price exhaustion. Back up. Went up. Made a new high. Hit our target where we expected it to go. So this is your minimum target right here. We could go higher. I mean, that's the breakout measured is up to here. We may still come up to here. This is still very bullish. But that's why I call your safe target. That's when you know you're going to hit. But like I said, we're potentially coming up to here. I measured the move there. That's suggesting where we're going. The light's still green with an arrow, so yeah, could definitely hit it. Which would be a really, really nice move, wouldn't it? That was 600, so what's this up to here? If it does go up to there. Again, this is where you can play one target here and one target here if you're doing multiple contracts. So it'll be here to, I'll leave it at 5 right there.
Long setup gold.
So that's 1100 right there on 2 or 550 on 1. So if you split it, that's 550 and 300, which is 850. Happened on number 5 count, didn't it? At 3 to 5. Must be something to that. Look at that. How about that? Pretty nice. Alright, so you see the potential here with the total count? It's really kind of made it very predictable, a lot more predictable for better results here.